Good morning everyone. So it is Thursday. Today me and Cami are having a mummy-daughter day, which I am excited about. This morning it's going to be such a beautiful day. It's going to get up to 28 today and it's so warm already and it's 9 o'clock. So summer is definitely coming. So yeah, we're going to go to the beach this morning together with some friends and get her down for a big lunch sleep here. And then the Sabo might walk down to the beach again and maybe get all park if it's not too windy, because it's meant to get, oh my gosh, Diesel, what are you doing, buddy? He's just destroying everything and anything. He's like having another baby. Seriously. So yeah, I've lost where I'm at. I'm so tired. Cami was up quite a lot last night and my brain's just not really working today. But yes, this morning I'm going to do a quick house clean and some work for my husband, and then we're going to get going to the beach. So I'll bring you guys along. The beach. It was pretty good. This little monkey wasn't in the best mood. She was a bit sooky. Just wanted to be in the water the whole time. And every time I'd take her out, she'd Diesel. And then we left, and she wasn't due for a nap until about 12:30, and she fell asleep at about 11:15 in the car. So she was a bit tired. She had 15-20 minutes in the car and then woke up as soon as we got home. So who knows if she'll have a lunch nap. She just had a bottle. I'm about to have some lunch. Daddy's home for the afternoon. Oh, Diesel. So we might head down again to the beach or to the pools or something. But yeah, she's just eating her. Oh, I'm stuck. Say hello. Are you gonna go to sleep? Are you gonna sleep? No, I don't think so. So Cami did end up going down for her lunch nap. She had a bottle and pretty much fell straight asleep. So she's been down for a bit over an hour now, so that's great. I was out having a little sunbathe, which was nice. And now I am just about to have been sorting through all these clothes. So I actually have been working for a family for about 4 or 5 years now, and they've got 2 girls aged 2 and 5. So I get all their hand-me-downs and they're such good clothes. So lucky Cammy. But when she's... You're awake! So I had a big nap. Had a nice big, over a 2-hour nap. Can you go see Daddy? Daddy? Who's that?
Hello. 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 You had a big nap, didn't you? Oh, I want to look at the screen.
You go Daddy, cuddle? Only when you're sleeping. She's teething so bad at the moment. Oh. 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 You're shaky. You don't need that. Can you clap your hands? Clap your hands together. Let's shake your hands. Can you high five? High five. Yay! High five! Hey everyone! So it's actually the next day. I didn't end up getting to end the vlog yesterday because little Monks ended up getting a high temperature and wasn't well at all. She was just a little koala bear. I couldn't do anything. She had high temperatures all night, so we were up most of the night. And then she woke up at 2:30 and just would not go back down. Do you want me to get that for you, baby? Sorry. There you go, baby. Look, Mommy got it for you. No. Yes, she woke up at 2:30, did not want to go back down until 5:15 this morning. Finally went back to sleep, so did I, but 6 o'clock on the dot for me, I was up and there was no going back to sleep. She slept till about 6:45, but yeah, we've been at my mum's all morning just so she can kind of help out and I could rest. Didn't get much rest, but that's all right because she was just clinging to me. Deez will leave her be, Baba. Oh, you want to come up? Okay, hold on one sec. Sorry, guys. You're saying, hello, everyone. I'm feeling better. Blow kisses. Oh, yep, Diesel's playing with your toys. So the house is a complete mess. So that is my task this afternoon. Say hi. Say bye. Good girl. See you guys.